guys are doing great. I'm also doing great here. And today we are going out resort. It's like organic type resort, and we're gonna swim there. And we're gonna, especially today is Tatay, my father-in-law birthday, so we are going to celebrate over there. So as you can see here, we have lots of motor. We're heading up to over there. Amigo, guapo. They're already heading up to over there, and we'll go later. That's cool. ¿Cómo está? Are you excited? Yeah, let's go. So alright guys, now we're also heading. All are already went there. Now we're heading right now, and we're on the way. And today is really good day. It's sunny, not so sunny, like there is cloud also, and it's not so hot. It's perfect day for ride also. But this place is Pacific, so it's feeling hot anyway. Less than sunny day anyway. And we finally reach here at the resort. You can see the view. It's really wide. Already. And our guys is parked over here, so I'm going to also park here. We're already over here, and we can see the view of the ocean. And there the guys are cooking something, grilling. Amigo! Wow, it looks so good. Shit. Let me so. And here our another professional chef, Mr. Tamamix. Show me your face, amigo.
Amigo.
He's chopping like sorry, amigo. He's chopping like a professional. Tomato, and we have here fish, and we have still left the baboy. Wow, here we're grilling. It looks so yummy. Okay, amigo. Sound check. Wow, we have tandoy also. Finally. See?
Favorite of Pinoy.
Yeah, this is the favorite things of event.
Yeah.
If we don't have this one, it will be like, yeah, lack of something. I want to try. Lame. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tatay.
Yay! And now we're gonna eat. Where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of us only. We can see we have lots of. I have lots of food here.
Gasa naman.
I ate a lot of food and a cake also, and now I'm going to swim. I drink a little bit Tandoy also, you know. Only 2 shot, I think 3 shot or 4 shot. It makes me, you know, like it's rich immediately. So a little bit drunk, so I'm gonna maybe swim now to get fresh, you know. Woo! Oh yeah, shit, it feels so cool now. Amigo, woo! No init, amigo, very relaxed. It's like in the aircon. Oh yeah, shit. Ah. Oh my god, it feels so good, you know. If you go out there, you'll feel so hot because I think I drink the Tandoy also. The Tandoy is the, you know, local pure brand whiskey of the Philippines. This is the resort. It's not like a luxury, but it's organic. It's really, you know, you can have you know, lots of fun over here. And you can see there, that's the island. We can see the island while we're swimming. And there also, yeah, surrounding is here. We can see the only 2 islands from here. You know, like in the Philippines, there is more than 7,000 islands in the Philippines. We found there. I just went there swimming, and we saw the squid or octopus. I'm not sure. I'll show you there. Yeah. Where is it? Wow.
Hold on.
Okay. You pull, amigo. You pull.
Halo, sadong.
Wow.
Wow.
We saw the octopus here. Oh, finally.
Pilit na.
See, it's still alive. Wow. It was a good party, and we're already done here. We're going back to home now, and it was really awesome day, and I swim a lot also and eat a lot, you know. I enjoyed a lot here. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you really like, please subscribe my channel. See you on next video. Thank you so much.